Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Next.js App Router for modern UI pages, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate the Next.js App Router for modern UI pages, start by ensuring you have the latest version of Next.js installed in your project. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Run the command npm install next@latest latest to update Next.js to the latest version. Next, create a new folder called app in the root of your project directory. Inside the app folder, create a new file called page.js. In page.js, import React at the top of the file. Next, create a functional component named home. This component will serve as the main page of your application. Inside the home component, return a simple JSX element, like an h1 tag with a welcome message. Now, save the page.js file. To route to this page, Next.js uses the file structure within the app directory. Make sure your development server is running by executing npm rundev in the terminal. Next, open your browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. You should see the welcome message displayed on the page. To create additional pages, add more JavaScript files within the app folder. For example, create a file named about.js and repeat the component creation process. Remember, the naming of the files in the app directory directly defines your routes. To implement nested routes, create a folder within the app directory named blog. Inside the blog folder, create another page.js file. This new page will be accessible via http://localhost 3000/. Next.js handles the routing automatically based on your file structure. Feel free to add more components and styles as your application grows. To explore additional routing features, consult the Next.js documentation for more advanced configuration options. That's it. You have now activated the Next.js App Router for modern UI pages in your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.